Welcome to the Mont Sainte Marie Clash of Cooking Titans Challenge. On my left, I have Olive A from Chalet Cooking with Olivia, 39 followers. Experienced, classic. On my right, I have Fletcher from FletchCooks, 309 followers. Young, extremely hungover. Today our challenge, we have our mystery panier. Our chefs will have to feature all three of the mystery ingredients in their dishes. So to reveal what we have here today, first ingredient, kosher bacon. Tasty and versatile. Our second mystery ingredient, chickpeas. Very popular to make hummus. And our third ingredient is Gruyere, white and soft. Now, both our chefs will have access to the entire kitchen as well as our pantry for any other ingredients they need. So each chef will make their signature spectacular meal featuring the mystery ingredients. They'll have 30 minutes to do so, and I'll introduce our judges a little later. They will be judged certainly on the use of our mystery ingredients, the presentation of their dish, as well as taste. So without further ado, you have 30 minutes starting now.
Wait!
Okay.
I have questions. Do I dare ask why there's a pineapple in the champagne?
That's a fabulous question as well. And I also don't know.
Okay, Fletch, I'm putting the bacon on.
Perfect. Thank you.
I don't know.
Nice. I'm gonna try my best not to cut myself.
It's sponsored, if you read it, it's sponsored the food, it's a
I do not feel good mentally right now at all. So I think I'm gonna go for a
You might have another beer here.
honey mustard
Okay, go ahead.
turkey melt sandwich with ribbon carrots maybe, Gruyere. Yeah, I don't know, something like that. We'll see where we go from there. I really don't know where anything.
Neither do I.
Where would I spatula? Oh yeah, right here.
Okay, so I'm taking half these chickpeas, alright?
Sounds good.
My vision, so I'm gonna do two sandwiches. So one is going to be a turkey cranberry and stuffing turkey, classic post Christmas. And then the other one is going to be a croque monsieur, because I've already made my bechamel sauce. So this is for the turkey. And ham, brought a ham.
The problem with making two things is you might get judged double hard.
Okay. Oh well, we don't need that right now.
Doubly as hard.
Okay. And then I'm going to use I'm going to I'm crisping these. Hopefully they'll crisp. And but I thought I'd just throw the bacon into the turkey sandwich because that would be kind of good, right?
Turkey sandwich, what was the other thing?
A croque monsieur.
Monsieur.
Croque monsieur.
Oh, croque monsieur.
Yeah.
Struggling to figure out my vision here, but ChatGPT said I should do a turkey sandwich on a Kaiser bun with caramelized onions. I'm gonna make a honey Dijon, maybe slightly spicy honey Dijon sauce for it. Bacon. And I do not know what to do with the chickpeas yet, but we'll figure that out. But it'll taste good. So yeah. I don't know if that made any sense, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm doing carrot ribbons on it for a little extra crunch. I'm gonna do some lemon and vinegar on that. Yeah.
Carrot ribbons? Seriously?
How pedestrian.
Yes.
Okay, look, just look at that.
Oh my god.
Look
what is
at that.
Wow, that's so good.
What is
Want
it?
to leave that behind?
Oh, it's really very good.
Wow.
What happened to the other half of that?
Oh, that's your
How they looking?
stuffing?
I gotta get a beer.
It's fine. It's fine. I apologize.
Honestly, I'd love a strong rum and coke.
He needs to stop the shaking.
I know, this is like,
They're winging it.
How much time did you guys spend preparing your ingredients for this meal?
0 seconds.
Zero.
Well,
Actually,
it was
that's
a
a
bit
lot.
of time.
Maybe like 30 seconds. I grabbed some stuff out of the
Something
fridge.
Frank.
Something burning?
And did anybody assist you?
No. How you doing?
doing good, how are you doing? Good. Looking good?
Very smoky here.
Smoky, bacon. You guys are the ones who picked bacon.
Fletcher, it's 2 fingers.
Perfect.
This way.
Great.
Back talk for more than
There's a Coke in that one.
What would you like, Fletcher?
Maybe a little tiny bit of cumin and paprika.
On your left, the thing with the orange lid.
Cumin and paprika, really?
Yes.
Just assembling my ingredients here. I also brought just a little bit of turkey gravy because I just, oh, wait a second. Oh, there's the turkey gravy. Okay, here we go.
Fletcher,
Yeah.
some turkey gravy if you need it right in the fridge too.
That's all good.
My own is in there too.
some there.
Oh, that's lovely. I'm gonna be cooking my meat in duck fat that I made the other day.
Fletcher, I have duck fat in there.
Well,
Yeah, actually,
yes.
huh. Not joking, but where's the pan?
Okay,
I'll wash this after. I'm just gonna put it
Thanksgiving,
straight.
what am I saying? Christmas turkey.
Oh, like here. Alright, chickpeas are, I toss them with paprika, salt, and a bit of olive oil. I'm gonna put them in a pan, roast them up.
Hippie, go in.
In bacon grease.
I'm going to, I just don't want to have it too much bacon grease. I can't tell if that's good or not. I just can't taste it. I think it's good.
Monster. Turkey, get
Where's
back
this
in
new-
there.
No
Little
toaster?
turkey baby.
Okay.
The toaster away?
Oh, frig.
I can
Oh.
get the toaster back.
That's okay, I'll use the pan after.
Okay, these are
Started
ready.
pot things and moving them all around.
Fresh baguette. It's not as good as a real baguette, but it'll do. Who watched season 5 of Emily in Paris?
I did.
So good.
I binged it in 2
Not
days.
say a thing. I will not.
For a little bit.
Through here.
So,
And I'm still thinking about what I need to do with the
I'm using the
chickpeas. So I'm
pot.
gonna assemble this. Well, okay, hello. There's a little bit of cranberry on. That's not good.
this is true.
Dijon was right over here. Oh my god. I think I need to broil these. Sorry, I have to turn the broiler on.
Right, but that's my food.
A little spritz of
I think it
olive.
works, I think.
Cookie pan. Cookie pan.
Cookie pan? Perfect. Oh.
Excusez-moi.
Oui, oui.
But I'm giving you an extra 10. So
Thank you.
15 minutes.
Oh shit. I forgot to use this cheese. What else do we have to use? Cheese.
Cheese, chickpeas, bacon.
Bacon.
Cheese,
Yeah.
chickpeas, bacon.
God.
Okay, do not burn bread. Do not burn bread. Do not burn the bread. Wow. Okay, are these okay?
Oh shit. Thank you. That's perfect. A little crispy. Oh shit. That's really good.
I think we should turn the element off, right?
Yeah, probably. Close outside. There's no spaces.
Oh my Jesus Murphy.
Fletcher, I think you're gonna melt the banister.
Oh my God.
Goes at 'em.
Okay, not quite done yet. Sorry, it's really hot in here and it's
It
all
is.
my fault.
No, you're good. No stress. I'm gonna do this.
Are you smoking it?
No, I'm trying to melt some cheese. Okay. We're dialed.
Hey Fletch, do you have a beverage?
I do not yet.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, I do. Lovely. Cheers.
Salute.
2 fingers.
Perfect. Oh my god. That is very strong.
It's ruined. It's ruined.
Oh god. Oh shit.
Oh no, that looks great.
Don't film this.
Wait, patiently, wait.
Good, Fletcher.
I hope it's good. Oh, and the dog again.
3 minutes, 30 seconds.
Perfect.
3 minutes, 30 seconds.
This did not cook enough. But it's all good.
Not realizing that it was on the Vulcan dinner party. Look at what came out of the oven over there.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Well, I'm still deciding on what to do with the chickpeas, but I think I have a plan. A little bit of a garnish.
I know.
I don't even know what Gruyere tastes like, so I probably should taste that for sure. I think I'm freaking done. Did I forget anything?
I'd like to introduce our 2 judges for today's Challenge of Titans. Over here we have Alana Brown, an Ottawa federal civil servant who is the queen of Uber Eats. And right here we have Gilly, a road warrior who hits the drive-thru at least 3 times a day. Again, they'll be judging the dishes on presentation, taste, and the use of the mystery ingredients. At the end of our 30 minutes, Fletcher, would you like to present your sandwich to the judges, please?
Yes. I have a melted Gruyere and truffle cheese melt with turkey, bacon, ribboned carrot, bit of spring mix, caramelized onion, and then a honey Dijon mix that I made on it.
Fantastic.
Very honey.
I'm having a bite.
Well, I feel like I need to be in the other room while they
I
taste
should
my
have
food.
put cumin on the
Turkey fried in bacon.
Love it.
Crazy.
Everything was almost a one-pan meal.
It's like a KFC thing.
Adding the chickpeas with carrots gives it a
Would you like
nice
to try a bite,
Middle
Olivia?
Eastern flair. It's a little extra something.
Instead of the honey, but I personally would give it an 8.5 out of 10.
Anyways, this is a turkey cranberry stuffing sandwich made on homemade sourdough. I added the bacon because now it's like a turkey cranberry stuffing club sandwich with the bacon. How can you go wrong? I put a little bit of mayo on it because I like mayo. And that's it. It's very thick. It's like it's the stuffing.
And your second sandwich?
Oh, my second sandwich. Classic croque monsieur.
I'm curious on these chickpeas. They seemed almost like an afterthought, but did they go with the meal?
It's all in one bowl and just eat it. Eat the rest.
How did the chickpeas tasted good on their own, but I don't know how they taste with the sandwich. Do they go? That's my question.
Try and make it in my mouth. Gotta kind of force the chickpea into the bread. I'd say the presentation is pretty weak on all the meals.
I agree.
I'm running out of room for Olivia's comments.
This is delicious, but there's so many good flavors in it. The bacon is almost overpowered.
It's like the lemon. Is there lemon in this?
I think that's the cranberry.
It's the cranberries. Yeah.
Thank you, chefs. Hell of a 30-minute challenge. The judges have sampled your food. They're deliberating for a couple minutes, and we'll be right back with the winner.
Pros and cons of both. I think that Fletcher's tasted like the perfect hangover recovery food. I couldn't imagine anything tasting better after a few drinks.
I have to say, when it was cut open and presented to me, it looked like vomit.
Wow.
But it was really fucking good. Especially those caramelized onions or carrots.
There's both of it.
Oh, very good.
I mean, Olivia nailed the fine dining sandwich. There's no question about that there. And I think one of the biggest challenges we have is actually determining, do we want the hangover food or do we want the, classic.
I think I have a new all-time favorite.
Depends on what you did last night.
Turkey fried in bacon. Like, how trailer park does that get?
And the winner of the Clash of the Titans challenge goes to Fletcher.
Oh my god!
Well done. Thanks for trying.
You can explain why it came down to the chickpeas.
I liked yours better personally.
It came down. What did it come down to?
It was a perfect hangover sandwich, which I kind of felt like.
We all can experience that, right?
Come cleaning.